previous lesson, I told you that this video is going to be about marketing your course. However, before that, even if you have already completed your course in terms of videos and content files, you don't have a product ready to sell just yet, right? You will need to host your course in a website or a platform where people can read your sales page, buy the product using their credit card, and get access to the videos as a paying user. There are several ways to accomplish that. You can buy domain and hosting and create your own website if you know how to do it yourself. Maybe a WordPress installation, a LMS plugin, and you're good to go. However, mark my words here, this is not the best option. Even though you will have full control over your site, this also means that you will need to keep everything up to date. You will have to deal with failures, errors. This option is not free because a good learning management system is somewhere around $200 a month. You will also need a video hosting plan for another $100 a month. A few other tools, you will have to integrate everything to make it work together, etc. It is exhausting and very expensive. You can also use a third-party platform such as Udemy to host your course. They handle everything. The system is ready to use, they already have a lot of traffic, and it's free. Or at least that's what they say. Listen, Udemy is a good place to host a free course or a low-ticket course to build your brand. But your masterpiece can't be hosted on Udemy. First of all, because it's not really free. You will be paying a lot of money in commissions for each and every sale. The Udemy fee is not cheap. It's actually 50%. So if you're selling a course for $100 and you sell 50 courses a month, you have paid $2,500 of your money to Udemy in a single month. That's far from free, right? Let alone if you sell more than that. The second problem I see with Udemy is that they usually sell low-ticket courses and they keep the right to run a promotion and offer discounts for your course without even notifying you. So, all of a sudden, your $100 course gets sold for $10. Minus their commission, you end up getting paid $5 for every sale. Not a great deal, right? So, as I said, Udemy is okay as a funnel, where you post a low-ticket course or even a free course that leads your students to your main website where they can buy your flagship course for the full price. So, what's the solution here? If it's not WordPress and it's not Udemy, where should you host and sell your course? The answer is Teachable, or Thinkific, or Kajabi, or NewSendler, or Kartra, or GrooveMember. Those are hybrid versions between a self-hosted learning management system and a course hosting platform like Udemy. They will charge you with a fixed monthly fee or even a one-time payment for a lifetime subscription, but they will not take a cut from your sales. And that's how you make real money. You keep full control of your prices, your database, your course, your videos, your files. You can even use your own domain, but they will handle every technical detail. They will provide the course hosting platform, the payment gateway, the emails, the sales funnels, the calendar, etc. It is as if your dreams come true. And now you are really ready to market your course. Now you have a product to sell. Now you're ready to bring traffic to your website and start selling like crazy. So let's get to it. Now, if you don't like sales, that's because you're thinking about the classic and cheesy used car salesman. You think about sales as manipulating people and convincing them to give you their money in exchange for something that's not necessarily worth the value. You think that selling is cheating, is lying and manipulating. But I'm here to tell you otherwise. Good sales, profitable sales, is a service. It's an honest service. It's a favor. When you sell something to someone, you're providing them with something they need, something they want, something useful for them, and exchanging money for it is a fair trade. Maybe you already know this, or maybe you don't. But we're all salespeople. You sell every single day of your life. Yes, you are selling every day. If you didn't know that, it's because you don't know what sales really are. Listen, when you approach someone you like romantically, you're selling yourself as a good partner, the best partner they could pick. You're trying to convince that person that he or she will be better off if they stay with you, that you have more to offer than other people. It's a sell. It's true, you're not getting money in exchange, but you're getting something else in return, right? You're getting a partner. When you recommend a movie or a TV show to your friends, you're selling. It doesn't feel like sales because you're inviting them to have a good time. You're convinced that if they listen to you, they will have a blast as you did while watching the movie or the TV show. But it's sales. Selling is a service. If you don't sell that movie to your friends, You're being selfish because it's a good movie that they will be able to enjoy, but you're keeping it to yourself. So you're compelled to sell the movie and almost force him to watch it. And that's what selling your course should feel like. You need to create a really good product, a useful course that really solves a problem for your students, a life changer so good and so useful that you feel as compelled to sell it to other people as you feel compelled to recommend a good movie. When you know that if people buy your course, they will be better, they will improve their life in any way, they will solve a problem, you will be eager to sell it. Because if you didn't, you will be doing them a disservice, a disfavor. You're being selfish. They need what you have, and it's a fair trade to exchange it for money. Even better, you know that the information you will deliver is far more valuable than the amount of money you're asking for in return. Can you see how sales look a lot better now? Alright, so in order to create a digital course to sell online, you need to pick a good topic with high demand. You need to validate your idea, find your niche, determine your course's content by studying the market, name your course, set the price, create a syllabus, write your lessons, record and edit your videos using effective communication skills and addressing all three of humans' learning systems, upload your course to a learning management system, and sell your course to your audience. This is the skeleton, right? There's obviously a lot more to every single thing than what I can explain here in a short 5 videos long free course. But now you can tell that I know what I'm talking about. I can really help you to craft and sell your own digital course online successfully. I have done it several times, and I became a 7-figure course creator in the process. That's why I have created a comprehensive 40 lessons program to take you by the hand, step by step in this journey to become a legendary infopreneur. In this program, I will teach you about the industry. I will help you shift your mindset to start this business, and after clearing your expectations, we'll make a list of ideas for your course topic. Then we'll clean that list to pick the best options. We'll do a real thorough market study to shrink your niche, validate the idea, and structure your course's content. We'll set the price using various techniques, and we'll baptize your course with an elegant and sticky name. Then I will teach you how to properly write your lessons, applying the effective communication skills, which I will explain for you. Your lesson scripts will be addressing the human's learning systems, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. The curtain rises, and I will help you overcome stage fright. Trust me, it's simpler than you may think. I will walk you in the process of picking up a good enough camera, configure it properly to record yourself, and edit the video afterwards with a user-friendly yet very powerful video editor that I will recommend for you. I will tell you how to record your voice, the most important part of your lessons, how to choose and configure your microphone, what things you must take into consideration regarding the environment, and tools that you should use to ensure the best audio quality. Then I will tell you how to use Audacity, a free audio editing software to make your voice sound like a superstar. After that, you will see step by step how to upload your course to one of the best course hosting platforms available. You will learn with me how to buy a domain and hosting plan, how to create a website for your business step by step, even into the sales funnel. What is a sales funnel again? Don't worry, you will end up an expert on it. I will tell you how to build your brand, how to become the go-to person in your niche. You will learn marketing techniques, sales psychology, how to use colors to convey emotions. I will give you a masterclass on storytelling inspired by the most famous artists, directors, actors, and bestseller writers. Along with copywriting, you will be able to pre-sell your course to get paid even before you create your course itself. I will dive you into affiliate marketing to get an army of salespeople selling the course for you before having paid them a single cent. All of the above comes with downloadable templates and forms to facilitate the understanding and the process. I can guarantee that if you follow this program step by step, you will end up with a course of your own, already selling successfully online. That's why I have included my steal money back guarantee. So if after buying my course, watching it in full, and applying these techniques, you're not absolutely satisfied with it, you have up to 30 days to claim your money back. 100%, no questions asked. That's how confident I am that I can help you. This is a lifetime access on-demand program that you can watch at your own pace, rewinding and repeating as much as you want. You have access to my personal email address, so you can ask me anything at any time. And for a limited time only, if you buy the program right now, I will include that 1 hour one-on-one live session with me to help you with anything you need related to this program. There are many courses out there with less content selling for $7,000, but that's not what you're gonna pay today. A much better deal will be $5,000, but that's also not the price. An absolute bargain is to pay only $997 one-time payment for a lifetime access to these 40 lessons. But today, just because you saw this free course until the end, and I really want you to create and sell your own online course, I will let you in for only $497, including everything I just told you. Now, it is not a bargain, it is a complete steal. Don't you agree? You get the 40 lessons on demand, you get the downloadable templates and forms, you get the storytelling masterclass to build your brand, you get the one-on-one, 1-hour live session with me, and I will include discount links so you can buy some of the tools you will need for a better price. On top of that, I add my stainless steel 30-day money-back guarantee. Now you tell me if this is not the best deal ever. So stop thinking and smash the button below this video right now. I'm already waiting for you there. Thanks for watching.